animal scissors for precise cutting. Very sharp. I believe that's a tiger. We got the monkey. Very sharp. We only have one butterfly. The butterfly's super sharp. Do we try the mouse? Go with the mouse. Wow, these are amazing scissors. They're for precise cutting, it looks like. And you can just turn. What do we haven't tried? And I can't figure if this is a horse or a unicorn. It's a horse or a unicorn. I made Swiss cheese out of the paper. So we have 1, 2. I found 3. 2 bird ones, it looks like, and 1, 2, 3 of the horse unicorns, 1 mouse, 2 monkeys, a tiger. I want to say it's a tiger or a bear, and 1 butterfly. Just some tape on the scissors, that's all. Okay. Alright, so 1 butterfly. They're $8 each or 2 for $15. Thanks for watching.